Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing exactly what you need and where to look. First, check the habitat. Grassy plains with moderate moisture and morning activity between 6 and 11. Once done, assemble gear, binoculars, a ½ kilogram of sweetgrass bait, camera, and a 1 km grid map. Make sure you have landowner permission or a permit and list 3 emergency contacts. Move to the nearest identified grid square and set up a low-profile observation point downwind of likely feeding patches. Now you shift into active tracking. Scan broad 100 to 200 meter arcs with binoculars, pausing every 15 minutes to mark observations on your grid. This builds a pattern. Next, place bait 5 to 10 meters from natural cover and clear an indirect approach route, using soft footsteps and pauses so you don't spook the animal. Observe and note feeding times, sounds, and escape routes. Once you detect repeating behavior, position yourself for a non-invasive close pass or photographic documentation. Finish by executing a calm, deliberate close approach during the identified activity window. Photograph for positive ID and then retreat slowly to avoid stress. If you have 0 sightings after 3 separate visits, rotate to neighboring grid cells and change bait composition by about 25% to test preferences. Always log GPS coordinates, time, weather, and behavior notes so you can reproduce success. Troubleshooting tip: if the subject is alarmed or absent, reduce human scent, increase.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.